So depending on whether you follow Amazon news or not, you probably know that Amazon has officially announced that all Halos will stop working on August 1st of 2023. However, I will do a follow-up video actually on that day, because that's Tuesday, about what happens if you try to use a Halo after that. But for the meanwhile, I'm going to look at what went wrong exactly with the Halo, because it seemed like something that Amazon was very excited for, and especially Jeff Bezos, but now Amazon has chosen to wind down the Halo. So let's take a look back down memory lane of the Amazon Halo, if you're one of the few people that actually remembers the history of the lineup. So the first Halo debuted in September 2020 and launched the following November at $99.99, and it was the Halo Wellness Band. I actually have an old unboxing on it for my channel from back then, which I'll have linked in the description. Now, I don't have a Halo Wellness Band anymore show on screen, but basically the Halo Wellness Band was a little band, kind of like a bracelet, but it had all the internals of the Halo View, as I have here, that lets you track all your fitness, and it claimed to have special technologies, and it really exaggerated, but overall it just had all the same. In fact, did even less than an Apple Watch, and it was basically just a Fitbit without a screen. But then Amazon launched the second Halo, being the Halo View, released in December 2021, and I actually have a Halo View because last year in August, when I was returning back from homeschooling and heading back to in-person school, my school supposedly has this policy where you could only wear Apple Watches powered off at that point. And so I got this so that way I could get around that policy but still wear a watch. However, they soon allowed Apple Watches, and even though they did ban Apple Watches again completely, I only wore this for a few days, because afterwards what happened was that bands come off on these so easily to the point where I couldn't even wear these easily at school without them falling off, which of course is not what you want. So that is why I quickly got rid of this and switched to my Casio watch. But the third Halo, being the Halo Rise, released in October 2022, and it claimed to use special technology to track your sleep, which in reality, it claimed to not record stuff, but I highly doubt that, especially considering it was only $115. And it was like a bedside alarm clock that could use light to wake you up, which is strange because Amazon already has the Glow, which can do that, but okay. Like, that at least has more of a use because a lot of people don't wear their watches to bed. But I don't know, like, is that really that necessary to track your sleep? I don't know, but yeah, that was just a brief overview of the Halo, but it was overall just too exaggerated. And the fact that Amazon also didn't make a smartphone that was successful at the time of the Halo to tie in easily, like how the Apple Watch ties in with the iPhone, just made it the Halo, and the fact that the Halo was basically just a Fitbit clone, made it not really desirable. So as a result, the Halo failed. Now it is dying. But did any of you own a Halo back when it was current? Or it still technically is current, but you know what I mean. Did anybody own a Halo? Please comment that down below. As always, I'm the iTunes Fanboy. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, peace out.